Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be solving problem palindrome number from Leetcode in JavaScript. So let's go through the problem once. We have to determine if a given integer is a palindrome. What's a palindrome? Something that reads the same backward as forward. So let's look at a couple of examples. One, we have 1 to 1, and if you convert it into backward, it will still read 1 to 1, so it's true. Then minus 1 to 1 would read 1 to 1 and minus, so that's why it's false. 10 would read 0 1, so it's false. So let's look into the logic for the program. We'll take a number. So let's see. Let's say our number is 2. When we turn it forward, it's 2. Take any negative number. So let's say minus 10. It would become 0 1 minus. So if you see, if there's any negative number, you will have a negative sign in the front, and when you convert it into backwards, you will have a negative sign at the rear. So a negative number can never be a palindrome. Similarly, if the number is only a single digit long, so anything between 0 to 9, they are all palindromes, because if you convert into backward, it will still read the same. So we have taken care of two cases here, negative numbers and single numbers. Similarly, if a number ends with a 0, let's say there's anything here and just a 0 at the end, it can again not be palindrome, because it will read something like 0 and something else. So this will again never be palindrome. So that's another third case for you. If the number is divisible by 10, it's not a palindrome. For all the cases, we can convert the numbers. So let's say this 1 2 3 4, we can convert the number into a string and check if the previous string and the new string is the same or not. For that, we can use two pointer methods. So let's say we convert this number into a string. We can start iterating from left hand as well as right hand, and if left hand and right hand is equal, we'll move towards inner digits. And if at any point, if the numbers are not true, if the digits are not true, then there's a discrepancy and the number is not palindrome. So just to give you an example, so let's say if you go down and 1 2 2 1, and if you start from this end, first number is I, last number is 1, first number is 1, they are same, so we move to the inner digits. 2 and 2 both are same, and now in the next iteration, I and j would become the same, or they will cross each other. So we have covered all the digits and it's a number is palindrome. But in this case, 1 2 3 1, first and last digits are same, we'll move towards inner digits. 2 and 3 are not same, so the number is not a palindrome number. Let's look at how this looks in code. We'll go ahead and implement this. We'll take care of the edge cases first. So if x is less than 0, then it's not a palindrome. Then if x is less than 10, it's a palindrome. Next, we'll take care of the trailing 0. So if x modulus 10 is equal to 0, that means this is divisible by 10, will return false. Now that all the edge cases are taken care of, we can convert the number into string. So let's say const string, the number is x. We need to take two pointers, so we will take two pointers at the left hand and the right hand. Okay, now as long as I is less than j, we can loop over. So if str I and not equal to str j, so if at any point the characters at the given index I and j are not equal, that means it's not palindrome. We will return false. Else, we don't need to run else here. We can just increment I and decrement j. If the loop is completed successfully and we don't return false, that means the number was palindrome, so we'll just return true. Let's see if we have any error in the code. Try and running it. Okay, seems like it works. Let's try submitting this one. Okay, it got submitted. So that's the logic for this question. First, we take care of the edge cases. We convert the number into string. We use two-pointer method to iterate over the string and see if at any point two numbers or two digits at a particular index I and j are same or not. If they are not same, the number is not palindrome. Else, we'll exit the loop and return true. This problem can be solved using a couple of other methods which I have discussed in my blog. You can go through the blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, if you have any doubts, feel free to comment on the video or the blog and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's it for this one. Stay tuned. I'll see you around in the next one. Peace.